What's up, my friends? I know you're going to love today's video because today I'm going to show you how the biggest YouTubers are creating their own AI avatars with perfect lip sync, 100% free. That's right. No problems, no subscription, no cost, just pure creativity at zero expense. These YouTubers are making serious money with AI, and you can too. So don't waste a second, let's jump into it right now. Step 1. Create an AI avatar prompt. Using ChatGPT Fist, open ChatGPT. Upload any image of the YouTuber or character you want to turn into an avatar. Then type, "Please give me a prompt for creating an AI avatar based on this image." Click Generate and boom, ChatGPT will give you a perfect prompt. I'll also drop an example prompt in the description for you to copy. Just be sure to include your YouTube channel name in the prompt. It makes the avatar feel more personal. Step 2. Generate character image using Leonardo AI. Now open Leonardo AI. Paste the prompt you got from ChatGPT and click Generate. Make sure the image resolution is 16:9, perfect for YouTube. Not happy with the image? Go back to ChatGPT and say, "Give me a better prompt for a high-quality avatar image." Paste the new one into Leonardo, generate again, and once you're happy, save the image. Step 3. Create voiceover using Runway ML. Go to Runway ML. Click Sign Up Free and log in with your Google or email account. Once you're in, say yes to all permissions. And boom! You'll get 125 free credits. That's enough to generate about 7-8 minutes of voiceover. Now click Generate Audio. Choose your favorite AI voice, paste your script into the box and hit Generate. Runway ML lets you create high-quality voiceovers in seconds. Just type, click and done. No mic, no noise, no hassle. It's 100% AI and 100% smooth. Choose from a wide range of realistic AI voices, male, female, even different tones and accents. You get 125 free credits when you sign up. Enough for 7-8 minutes of professional voiceover. Super fast, super clean, perfect for YouTube shorts, AI avatars, and storytelling videos. It sounds so real, your viewers will think it's an actual voice actor. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Runway ML makes voiceover creation effortless and free. In a few seconds, your voiceover is ready. Save the audio file. Step 4. Turn your image into a talking AI avatar for free. Now for the most important part, the AI avatar video. Visit the free site Dremina AI. Link is in the description. Use a VPN if it doesn't open in your country. Once it loads, click on the Avatar Generator tool. Select Avatar Turbo. Upload the image you created in Leonardo. Upload the audio file from Runway. Make sure it's less than 15 seconds for best results. Click Generate. Dremina AI transforms any uploaded image into a talking avatar with perfect lip sync, all for free. Upload your image, choose a voice or paste your script, and Dremina handles the rest in seconds. With its omni-human-powered lip sync engine, Dremina offers ultra-realistic facial expressions and timing. Features like resync, frame interpolation, and HD upscale let you polish your avatar till it's flawless and smooth. You can choose from many AI voices, male, female, professional or casual, and adjust the speaking speed to match your style. No technical skills or paid plans needed. Dremina gives you free credits to experiment and create high-quality animated avatars. Once your avatar is ready, click Download and you've got a speaking digital version of yourself. Hey my friends, welcome to a tech studio. Today, I've brought something special just for you. Ever wondered how people create their own custom avatars? Perfect for social media, presentations and more. And just like that, boom! Your AI avatar with perfect lip sync is ready. It looks amazing, right? Feels real. And guess what? You made it for free. No money, no subscription, and zero experience needed. So now what? This is exactly how the biggest YouTubers are building channels fast and making money using AI. And now, you can do it too. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe, and comment below if you want more AI tricks like this. Until next time, goodbye and keep creating.